A deal just arrived. 10 agents are analyzing it. One of them can kill it. The scout found a South Philly row home, 3 beds below market ask. The analyzer is running the BRRRR formula. All-in basis at 68% of RRV. The finance officer is stress testing the DSCR 1.41 at rate plus 1.5. The tax strategist is estimating year 1 paper losses. The risk officer has not spoken yet. This is PawBroker. I built it. It runs inside ClaudePaw on my laptop. It analyzes real estate deals, tracks rehab pipelines, and rolls up my portfolio every night automatically. Here is the part that stops most builders. A system like this, if you priced it at commercial analyst rates, would cost thousands of dollars a year just to run deal flow. Most people pay for it or skip deals entirely. I do not pay per token. Every one of these 10 agents runs against my existing Claude subscription, Pro, Max. The same plan I already use every day. PawBroker just borrows that brain. The platform underneath it is called ClaudePaw. It is an agentic operations platform I wrote. It holds the agents, the memory, the scheduler, the credentials, and the safety gates. PawBroker is one of the projects running inside it. PawTrader, my automated trading system, runs alongside it on the same subscription. When a deal comes in, the committee assembles. Scout rotates through zip codes on a weekly cycle. Beach markets, city STR tracks, workforce rental corridors. When a pocket listing arrives from a trusted broker contact, Scout surfaces it immediately. Analyzer runs the math. BRRRR, 6 pulb, X, TR, or hold. Each strategy has its own formula module with hard thresholds. All-in cost against ARV, DSCR, at a stressed rate. Gross rent multiplier. Any gate that fails, the deal dies before you ever see it. The rest of the committee handles what comes after. Rehab estimation, financing, tax position, portfolio tracking, and material participation hours for tax strategy purposes. The formula module is the part I am most proud of. No deal clears without passing every threshold. BRRRR requires all-in basis at or below 70% of ARV, DSV, DSRR stress tested at 1.3 or better, and gross rent at 1.1% of ARV per month. Flip formula, 65% of ARV, minus rehab, minus overhead and transfer tax. STR, conservative ADR times 65% occupancy, must cover the LTR backstop DSCR. If STR regulations tighten, the property still cash flows as a long-term rental. These are conservative by design. The system is not trying to squeeze deals through. It is trying to keep bad deals off my desk. I do not watch dashboards all morning. The system talks to me on Telegram. When Analyzer clears all formula gates, I get a deal card. Location, asking price, ARV, all-in percentage, DSCR at stress, estimated year 1 paper losses. 3 buttons: approve, skip, deep dive. If I approve, the deal enters the pipeline. Rehab estimator queues a scope. Finance officer tracks the HELOC draw. If I skip, the system logs the abstain and continues scanning. Deep dive opens the full analyzer transcript in chat. Every night, the system runs a full portfolio snapshot. Equity stack across all held properties, cash flow per asset, HELOC utilization, estimated paper losses year to date. A running tally against my annual target. The tax strategist cross-references cost segregation windows, material participation hours logged, and REPS readiness status. It does not give tax advice, it surfaces the numbers my CPA needs. Every Monday I get a summary. Which deals are in scope, which dropped off, which assets are performing below the DSCR floor. The system tells me what changed. It does not send me a data dump. Phase 1 is live now. The pocket listing feed, the 10-agent underwriting pipeline, the formula gates, the Telegram approval loop. Phase 2 ships when the first acquisition closes, rehab tracking, financing milestones, the full portfolio roll-up. Phase 3 is when the code goes public, not before live results. I built PawBroker the same way I built everything in ClaudePaw, one builder, one Claude subscription. Plans written with Claude. Code shipped through ClaudePaw's own workflow, every commit lobbed. There was never an analyst build to justify. PawBroker ran this morning while I was asleep. It scanned 4 zip codes, evaluated 3 deals, killed 2 on formula gates, queued 1 for review, and filed the nightly summary before coffee. The portfolio is in motion. The code goes open when the results are real. Follow for updates at claudepaw.ai. The committee is still in session.